hindi ko alam kung ano magiging reaction ni Sachi ngayon kasi binilhan siya ng phone sa kanya. Hindi ako nakakambyo. Binilhan kasi siya ng bagong phone kasi nga basag-basag na yung cellphone niya. So, tingnan natin yung magiging reaction niya later. Ito pala siya. Yan, dala-dala ko na yung phone na binili. Actually, ito mura-mura lang naman kasi siya kasi for kids naman. Ito siya. Titignan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. So, ito na.
Baby doll? Why?
Oh, look at, I have a surprise for you. What
Why?
happened to your hair? Kagigising niya. My goodness, it's already, what's the time na? It's already 12.
You take the baby doll. Let's open it.
Let's open it. It's the Barbie girl?
Yeah.
How did you know? It's a Barbie girl.
I don't have to cut it.
You just got it?
Yeah.
Wow, you're galing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? I have a surprise for you. You know what is this?
That's a baby doll.
It's a Barbie girl. Oh, you open this. Oh, Barbie girl.
Baby doll.
A Barbie girl.
Baby doll.
Wow, what is this?
Baby doll.
Barbie girl?
Yeah.
Wow, the Barbie girl. Oh, careful, careful. 1, 2. Wow! Wow, what is this? What is this? Wow! What is this? Oh, I have new phone. Oh, is this you? Do you want this?
Yeah.
This is your new phone. They're like, wow, you have 4 vlog na. Oh. Wow. Parang hindi ka masaya, parang mas masaya ka doon sa bubbles. Wow. Oh, your new phone. Wow, are you happy? Oh, wag mo nang pukpukin yan, ha? Okay? Wag mo nang ano yan, ha? Wow, ganda yung new phone.